Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Topic for today's video is how to create custom walls in Revit. Before starting with the video, I would like to request you all to please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, please click on like too. So let's get started with the video. So in the starting of a project, whenever we click on wall, Revit gives us a generic wall of 8 inches thickness. I will just click on edit type and will create a duplicate wall. Suppose I am giving wall name as 600 mm thick wall. Okay, and then I will click on edit. So for this 600 mm thick wall, I need 230 mm thick wall, then 255 mm thick insulation, and then 115 mm thick wall. So this is a sandwich wall which I am demonstrating. So for this, what we are going to do is, this is the first layer of my wall. I will assign a material to it. Suppose I am taking common brick. So this is how my wall will look in shading, in surface pattern and in cut pattern. So I don't want color there, so I will just click on white. On surface pattern, I am okay with this hatch. In cut pattern, I am not okay with this hatch, so I will just click on this. We'll create a duplicate. We'll name it as brick hatch, and then okay, and we'll select this. Now this is available, so I will click on apply and then okay. So this is the first layer of my wall. I will just give thickness to it, which is 230 mm. Now to add second layer of wall, which is insulation, I will click on this. I will click on the lower one and I will just insert it. So now a blank option is available, in which I need to select a category, and in which I have to select the thickness of the wall and function of the wall. So this insulation doesn't solve any structure related function, so I will just give it as thermal or air layer, and I will select the material. Suppose I want my insulation to be glass wool, but this is not available in Revit, right? So what I will do is, I will just click on any material and I will just go here, duplicate selected material. I will give it a name, which is, suppose it's glass, right? Glass wool insulation. Okay, glass wool insulation. So this is how my glass wool, I want my glass wool to look like this, so I will just select it. Now in this I can put in other information as well. In appearance I can put other information, and in thermal I can give values to it, right? So this is how I can define the characteristics of my wall. Now I will just go back to this and apply and okay, right? I will give it a thickness which is 255 mm. Now the third layer of my wall would again be a brick wall. I will click on insert, give thickness to it 115, and we'll select brick wall over here, brick. So I will select on OK. Right, now after creating this sandwich wall, I want 12 mm plaster on the outer surface and 8 mm plaster on the inner surface of the wall. So as I go up, this is exterior side. As I go down, this is interior side. So I will just click on this. I will click on insert. We'll give it a category, finish. Again, plaster won't be a default option, so I will just go on one of the default layer, and then I will click on duplicate selected material. We'll give it a name plaster, right? And now I will just change its properties. Cut pattern, I want it to be a vertical hatch like this, and then click on apply and then OK. Thickness, I want 12 mm on outer side, so I will just specify 12 mm. And then over here I want again a plaster layer, finish 2, we'll go here, plaster, OK. We'll specify thickness, which is 8 mm. Click on enter. Now I can also play with the cross sections. So for example, if I want my brick wall, which is 115 mm thick, to shift upwards and thermal insulation to come downwards, so I will just click on this. I will click on up button, and now the cross section has also changed accordingly, right? So now what I will do is I will just click on this and up, and now I am back to my previous cross section. I will click on OK and then OK. I will draft my wall like this, right? But nothing is available, nothing is visible to me. Why? Because I need to set my settings to fine. As soon as I have set my settings to fine, I am able to see all the layers of my project. Now if I want to see how it will look in a cross section, because this is how my wall is looking in plan, if I want to see how it will look in cross section, I will just create a cross section, right click, go to view. Again I will have to put this on fine, and I'll be able to see how my wall will look in cross section. This is level 1, this is level 2. Now coming back to floor plan. So this is how we create custom walls in Revit, and we are done with the video. Please hit subscribe button and like button if you like the project. Thank you. Bye bye.